All right, students, often we're going to be given pictures and asked to figure out equations. So we always want to see as much as we can from our picture. So I see x-intercepts here of -1 and +2, and I see a y-intercept of -2. So this looks to me like root form. So my roots are -1 and 2. So this tells me I have the form y equals a. I don't know my a yet, except I do know it's positive. X minus -1 is going to be x plus 1, x minus 2. I can plug in my 0, -2 now. My x is 0. And plug in the 0 and the -2. I always want to use new information to find new things. So y is equal to -2 when my x is 0. So -2 equals a times 1 times -2. That must mean a is 1. So this equation in regular form is, in root form is 1 times x plus 1 times x minus 2. Converting to standard form, I'm going to multiply this out. X squared minus 2x plus 1x minus 2, which simplifies to be x squared minus 1x minus 2. All right, now I have -2, +2, and a y-intercept of 4. Sorry, that's -4 down here. So again, I'm going to point up. I'm going to use my root form again. X minus -2, x minus 2. -4 equals a times 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 minus 2 is -2. -2 times 2 is -4. So my a must be 1 again. So I don't even need to write the a. X plus 2, x minus 2. If I multiply this out, I get x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 4. Those cancel. X squared minus 4. All right. I've got another one here. Again, I see root form. A times x plus 2, x minus 1/2. And I've got 1 when x is 0. All right, this multiplies and makes -1. I know it points down, so my a is now -1. Now when I multiply this out, I'm going to multiply out my brackets first and then do the -1/2, or the -1. Or it's probably easier to put the -1 in first. So remember, when I multiply 3 things, I just multiply 2 of them and then take that answer and multiply it by the third. So I'm going to take this -1 and put it in. So I'll get, this bracket turns into -x minus 2, and I'm done. I've multiplied it, no more. So this part just stays the same. So now I'm going to multiply all this out. -x squared plus 1/2x minus 2x plus 1. And I knew that. I knew that my c value had to be +1 from here. Simplifying, -x squared minus 1.5x plus 1.